everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So before, I'm going to show you my last purchase of 2021. So these are my last purchases from Louis Vuitton for this year. I just want to say Merry Christmas to all of my subscribers, my viewers around the world, and I'm just going to wish everybody and your family a very happy Christmas filled with an abundance of health, peace, love, prosperity, and happiness, as well as a wonderful new year as well. So anyway, here are some of the items that I got today, and let me start. And this one, it was still on the holiday Christmas packaging. I don't know when it's gonna last. Maybe supplies last, but I am surprised that I was able to get some of the Christmas packaging. So anyway, I don't know what you guys think about this year's Christmas packaging. I think it is super, more likely this one, the Louis Vuitton, the face of Louis Vuitton right there. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I love it. I love the history behind it. And they also have this gold foiled Louis Vuitton logos right here. So anyway, this is the first item, and it is, they put it in a dust bag. So let me show you first. And it is another bandeau. Wow, I have been, this is my, I don't know how many times I have purchased bandeau this year, but I'm loving it. This one is my all-time favorite. And I was at the store today and I was like, wow. I was looking for this. I think this one came out last October. I am not 100% sure, but I am looking for the 1854 bandeau. So the 1854 inscription, as we guys all know, that it actually represents the year of Louis Vuitton creation. So that's the story behind it. That's the reason why I purchased it. And I think this is my very first. I'm not sure, but I think this is my very first 1854, since 1854 inscripted on the bandeau. Wow, this one is in color black. I'm not sure, maybe black. Yeah, it is black. Wow, it's so beautiful. And it is made up of 100% pure silk, really soft. Once again, it is inkjet printed right here. And I think all of the bandeaus, the regular size bandeaus, are measured as 47.2 inches by 3.1 inches. It is pretty long, just like this. You could go back to back with the same print as well. It just seems to feel like, it almost like the grain, the silk, I could feel like the pattern. I could feel like it is like debossed. I don't even know why I felt it that way, but it's like, yeah, it is like an inkjeted print. So I don't even know why I felt like it was more likely embroidered feeling to it. So anyway, this is how it looks right here on the side. And if you go at the back right there, you'd see, wow, this is so beautiful. And the product code is MP2825, and I believe this is around 210 US dollars. Yeah, this is the regular size, 100% silk right there. It says dry clean only, made in Italy. And you could also see right here in the tag, if you want to make it sure that you got the authentic item, this one right here in the tag, it also, they actually embroidered the product code MP2825, and you'll also see that right there, MP2825. Okay, so this is the first item. Wow, this is really beautiful. Oh my gosh. I think this one also came in with the lighter color as well, more likely a white and gray, that combination. But when I was at the store, this is the only item that I saw, and also they have a leftover from the holiday animation as well. They have the Hollywood and the China bandeau, and since I'm not looking for that, I found this and I purchased it right away. Okay, so I tried to search this on the website. I couldn't find it anymore. I don't know, for some reason I couldn't find it anymore. So anyway, this is the first item that I picked up today. It is a bandeau. I love them and they are highly affordable. So moving on to the next item, it is, let me just do this one right here. The packaging is like this, and let's open it at the back. I guess you got anybody. I guess you guys are all familiar with this particular type of packaging, and it is going to be. It is a Louis Vuitton book. So I've been searching for this in such a long time. This has been sold out in such a long time and I could not find it at all. And it is a, right here, it is a Paris book. There are actually two versions of these. They have just the Paris fonts, and this one is more likely the one that is, they are having their intimate moments right there. So this is the second item that I picked up. I think this is around 56 US dollars. I'm not 100% sure, but since I am on the process of completing my collection, so yeah, I am so close of completing all the travel book. They came out with I think that was, what was that, Mars, the planet Mars, I think. I'm not even sure, because I mean, a travel book in Mars, I'm not even sure about that. But anyway, they also have two versions as well. They have this illustration right here, and they have the one that it's around $100. I'm not sure what that is, but this is right here, Cherry Samba Paris, right there. So this is the second item. The third item, it is right here on this box, and it is no other than, wow, I am so excited for this, guys. That's because I was at the store. I did not expect that I'll find this. I did not expect that I found a lot of items, the since 1854 pattern at the store. I mean, okay, let me just show you what I got right here. And oh my, still in this packaging. I think this the store packaging though. They rarely gave you the packaging for their stuff. And also it has this right here. And let me show you what I got. Wow, this is the since 1854 square 45. And wow, oh my gosh, it is so smooth. Wow, I didn't expect that I found this actually. This one is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the silk is so soft. Oh, and shiny. Look at that. And also look at the inscription right there, 1854. This one actually, yeah, the pattern, the 1854 pattern is all over it. And then we have the monogram flower. Let me show you completely. It says this one is in pink because the monogram flower right there, it's in pink. It says there Louis Vuitton since 1854 inscription right there on the side. And this one, the flower is in pink. It is so beautiful. It's so vibrant. It is like, this one feels so luxurious, guys. Oh my goodness. At the back as well. So this is how it looks at the back. Obviously, this is the front right here. And let's look at the edges, the hem around the corner. It says most of the time it was actually hand rolled. So that's just pretty much how it looks. Very, very nice. I love it. And this one is a size 45 centimeter, and the conversion for this is around 17.7 inches by 17.7. Once again, this one is made up of 100% pure silk. This is the product information. M77466, made in Italy, 100% silk. And you'd also see those product code right there inscripted at the back. And I think, I cannot remember the price. I think this is around $245. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just actually going with my memory. So it is highly affordable and it is beautiful. The reason why I got this, not to use it as the way you should be using this, I will be putting it, I'm going to frame this because, oh my gosh, just love the beautiful pattern right here. This one is gorgeous, guys. This one is so attractive, and I think this would look great in my room together with some of my items, my antiquated Louis Vuitton items. I mean, my vintage Louis Vuitton items, rather. And I think this would look great. Wow. It is so beautiful. And I don't know what you guys think about this new combination of the Louis Vuitton motif right here. I don't know what you guys think about this, because I think this new motif that they have, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this was created by Nicolas Gasquier. I'm not 100% sure about it, because when this first came out since 1854, I'm not too crazy about it. But as the time goes by, I started to like, well, there is a history behind it. It's 1854. That is the year of a Louis Vuitton creation. And I think I should add it in my collection. You know? So yeah, I was not totally convinced when it first came out. But the new combination of this motif is actually nice. It's historical as well. So if you're a Louis Vuitton collectors, this is actually perfect for you. The 1854, it's the year of the Louis Vuitton was created. And I just really find it fascinating though, especially this one. Oh my gosh. This one is so attractive. They also came in with another color as well, brown. But I didn't see that color at the store. If they have, I'll try to find it. I already asked my SA if she could source it out. She could source one for me, and I'm also interested in this is actually perfect size. Wow, it's so gorgeous, guys. Look at that. There's no way I will be using this. That's how precious this beautiful thing right here. Wow. So anyway, these are my 3 items and my last purchase of 2021. I am anticipating to collect more on this upcoming year, 2022. And anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a happy new year. Bye.